Located right across from the Cintas Center, Xavier University's Mail Services is a spot for all your mailing wants and needs. If you've ever gotten an email about a package arriving, then you know the excitement. If it's your first time, then make sure you get to the package pickup area before closing at 5. The Mail Center has all the supplies you need. From boxes to envelopes, they have you covered. Simply slide your mail into the outgoing slot or give it to the friendly face working the counter. If you need to pay for postage and are running low on Xcash, no worries. A desktop is available to deposit money to your account at your convenience. Finally, if you're an on-campus resident, then you have a mailbox in line with your room number. To check for mail, just go to the Mail Center, find your building, room number, and follow the directions posted to unlock your mailbox with a combination the Mail Center gives you. That's it for this video. See you crazy kids around. Happy mailing!